your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the block, and be sure to wash your keys. Have a zippity-doo-dah ride. Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del banco y cuide a los pequeñitos.
Recording memories. So, because Brer Rabbit's gonna get out of here, man.
Huh?
Brer Rabbit's gonna be gone, man.
What?
And Brer Fox.
Oh yeah, Brer. Well, they used to keep the arms on that thing at one point.
Yeah.
People think they really buried the movie. I don't know.
I watched it when I was a kid. I can't remember anything about it.
Okay, so I don't think it was that good then if you didn't remember anything about
No,
it.
I remember the like Zippity Doo Dah song.
Yeah, that's the only
And Brer Rabbit. That's the main stuff. Is the animation.
Yeah, that's the only song that people actually, bother remembering about it. What? I thought they were pushing a bunch of people.
Probably. The Slip and Falls.
Pretty good soldier boy, pretty good soldier boy. How do you do? What do you do? How do you do? Say what you do. How do you do? With everyone pretty good soldier boy.